Today, I'm going to teach you how to move Google Sheets into a folder. This is a great way to keep your workspace organized and make it easier to find your files when you need them. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your Google Workspace account. This will take you directly to your Workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are stored. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, you'll see a collection of all your files. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet that you want to move into a folder. Simply click on that spreadsheet to open it. This step is important because you need to have the file open in order to access the folder management options. Now that your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the toolbar. Look for the folder icon, which should be positioned near your Google Sheet title. This icon is your gateway to organizing your files. Click on it to reveal the folder options available for this particular spreadsheet. After clicking the folder icon, you'll see a window pop up displaying your existing folders. This is where you can choose the destination for your spreadsheet. Browse through your folders and select the one where you want to move your sheet. Click on that folder to highlight it and confirm your selection. Finally, look for the Move button at the bottom of the pop-up window and click it. This action will immediately transfer your spreadsheet into the selected folder. Your file is now neatly organized and easily accessible whenever you need it. The great thing about this process is that it doesn't create a copy, it simply relocates the original file to keep your workspace tidy, and that's it. You've successfully moved your Google Sheet into a folder, making your workspace more organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.